Hey Fit Pros, Jill from Excel Wellness Continuing Education here. I love shooting these videos for you guys because it's another course release, and I'm super excited for the courses that I'm lining up for 2019. But today I'm just going to share our spring offering with you coming in April. So I know this will ring a bell for a few of you that are repeat attendees, but I'm bringing in Jenice and Sara. Jenice and Sara were here with Dr. Evan Osar a couple of years ago. Jenice is Dr. Evan's wife, and for those of you that attended, they wrote an awesome book called What Lies Beneath, the Under-Realized Effects of Breast, Abdominal, and Pelvic Surgeries. These gals are rock stars, and they're coming to Kansas City for a day-and-a-half workshop for you. So let me run through the titles and a quick little information, but let's start off with this. I'm going to go so far as to say these two courses are going to pertain to probably 90%, maybe more, of your clientele that you're working with. I know right off the bat they pertain to two surgeries that I've had already, one being a C-section. So that's a lot of women in your facilities that have had hysterectomies, C-sections, any kind of abdominal surgery, breast reconstruction if they've had if they're a cancer survivor, many things like that. So go through your list in your head and think about who this affects. And the astonishing thing is, what I'm learning from these ladies is some of those effects of C-sections and different surgeries might not show up right away. It might be 10 years down the road. And there's still things you can do. So even if your client's in their 60s and they had a C-section when they were in their 20s or 30s, this course is going to be for you. So here we go. We'll keep this short. I want you guys to go to the website and look at all the information. Next week I'll share a video that Jenice and Sara filmed telling you even more about what they're going to come and teach you guys. So Friday, there is an option to come for 4 hours in the afternoon on April 5th, and we're calling that course, we're titling it the title of the book, What Lies Beneath, the Under-Realized Effects of Abdominal and Pelvic Surgeries. So anyone that's had a history of cesareans, hysterectomies, abdominoplasties, gallbladder, any other kinds of pelvic or abdominal surgeries, pelvic floor, the mesh, all of that kind of stuff, this is going to pertain to you. We're going to talk about common causes of chronic pain, tightness, compensations that your clients are doing that maybe you don't realize and that are keeping them from getting to their fitness goals. We're going to address all of that and how to help them feel better, work out better. So we're going to go through post-surgery cycles, how to make assessments on their postural and movement strategies. We're going to address the effects of surgery. We're going to really dive into surgeries and what they leave us with afterwards, and how to train these kind of people and help them feel better. We're going through the CEU process now. It'll more than likely be 0.4 CEUs with NASM, ACE, and AFib. That information will come. Saturday, now you do have an option for a 2-day pass or just to attend Friday, just to attend Saturday. Saturday, we're gonna do a full 7 hours, so it will be more than likely 0.7 NASM, ACE, AFib. We're calling that Female Fitness, Restore the Core while discovering its effects on the whole body. So surgery is going to be a very small component of this day, not as in-depth as Friday, but we're going to talk about core beyond just the abdominals, a lot of pelvic floor, how to assess and restore function in our ladies, how to activate, integrate this stuff into your client workouts. We're going to talk about the female cycle and pregnancy and how that has effect on the pelvis and the core. Common exercises that can lead to dysfunction, how to restore it, improve range of motion, really everything that you need to know to train your female clients. So if you're training females, which most of you are, this is a great 2-day event for you. So check out all the information. I have a special bonus. Well, 2 things. We have early bird going on now. You're seeing this in December through February 8th, best price. Friday is first come, first serve. We have a capacity of 50. Saturday, we can handle more people. 2-day pass, we have a capacity of 50. And the first 15 people that register, I'm gonna mail you a signed copy, signed by Jenice and Sara, of What Lies Beneath, so you can read their book, check it out, it's really good. before you attend. Hope to see you guys in April.